I am now, unfortunately, the owner of this new Mach 1 Mustang. Now, obviously, it's not new, but new to me. And a lot of you are probably scratching your head wondering, why did he say unfortunately? That's a Mach 1 Mustang. We're going to dive into that a little bit deeper later on in the video, but I wanted to take you guys along with me, taking a look at this thing for the first time, because as you can see, it's not moved in quite a while. What's going on, guys? It's a beautiful cloudy day here in East Tennessee, and I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to check out this video. So what we're gonna do is, this is gonna be a series on this channel. You guys are gonna go along with me on this journey to restore this Mach 1 Mustang. Now, I actually need a little bit of help from you guys in the comment section. I'm not a huge car guy, and I don't know if this is a 1969 or a 1970 Mach 1 Mustang. Now, I've been told that there's some type of thing with the lights in the front, and I don't know if showing you guys the front is gonna help us determine that, but maybe let me know if you know, just from looking at it throughout this video, if it's a 1969 or 1970 Mach 1 Mustang, or maybe it's an entirely different model. But I wanted to let you guys know the backstory on this so this whole situation makes a little more sense. So the reason I said, unfortunately, that I'm the owner of this Mustang now is this was actually my dad's Mach 1 Mustang. And this thing has sat here for about 40 years. He actually drove it when he was a teenager, and I always wanted it. I always loved the way this thing looked when I was a kid. I'm now 31 years old. And unfortunately, my dad actually passed away unexpectedly just a few months ago. So we're going through, he liked cars a lot, as you're gonna see kind of in the background. So this car is now mine. And what really sounds weird and is hard to explain, and don't worry, we're about to get to the car, is that the reason I don't know anything about this car is I always thought it looked cool as a kid, but I was never a car person, if that makes sense. I was never really big into cars. But now I'm 31 years old, and I'm kind of getting more into cars a little bit. I'm learning, I'm trying to learn anyways. So this is gonna be an interesting journey trying to go through and restore this thing. You're gonna see my brother make several appearances. He actually works for an auto body shop where they restore cars. So I'm gonna have a little bit of help, and hopefully some help from you guys as well. So the plan right now is to clean this thing up. As you can see, it's covered in leaves at the moment, and honestly, just see what kind of shape it's in. I don't know if the interior is in horrible condition. I don't know if it's rusted out. I don't even know what engine is under the hood in this thing. So you guys are seeing it for the first time, just like me. So I think this is gonna be pretty fun. So we're gonna start off by getting rid of all of these leaves and stuff off the top of the car. So now that the lovely leaves are gone and we can see a little bit more of the car, let's do a brief walk around and just see how good or bad of shape this thing is really in. So let's just start from the front here and work our way around. Now, I know that my dad used to always make a big deal about these wheels. It says American Racing in the middle there. I'm assuming these are pretty valuable or unique. I guess it's original American Racing wheels. At least that's what he used to say. So I don't know, maybe those are a big deal, maybe they're not. We've got the Mach 1 with the spider eggs here. I hate spiders, by the way. So this is gonna be real interesting. I guess this was 2 colors at one point. That's kind of interesting, and that's not a good sign for the interior once we get in there. I don't know if this, I guess this is Bondo maybe, that's chipping off of here. Well, let's work our way back to the rear. I wonder if this actually still opens for the gas. Oh yeah, okay. And like I said, guys, I'm not a car expert. I'm learning more and more every day. So you guys might have to help me out. I know there's some Mustang experts on the internet and here on YouTube. This side looks a lot worse. So unfortunately, he had it covered for a while, and the hood looks a little raised up over here. he had it covered for a while, and then for some reason it took the cover off. So it's much more weathered on this side. The the windshield wipers have definitely seen better days. Man, I cannot wait to take a peek at the inside of this thing and see what the interior looks like. So let's just go ahead and do it. Let's pop it open and take a look. Like I said, you guys are seeing this for the first time just like me. So you guys are gonna come along this journey and we're gonna restore this thing. It's gonna take a long time, I'm guessing, but here we go. The moment of truth. Okay, so no door panel on the driver's side. Oh man, the dash not looking too good. Lots of spider webs. That side has a door panel though. Let's see if we can just get down in here. That's got some rust along here. Ooh, okay. I mean, what do you guys think? Headliner has seen better days. What do you guys think when it comes to restoring? I mean, again, there are a lot of you probably that are going to watch this video that have restored cars. I mean, is this a candidate? Which we're going to get it pulled out so we can take a better look at it. This carpet, man, this surely this isn't what came in them, is it? This looks like house carpet. This looks like something that would be in someone's house. That's really weird. So let's take a look at the mileage. Let's see if we can see this. So you guys probably can't read that. 18,461. I'm guessing that has rolled over at some point. We've got the toggle for the lights here. Let's see what else we have. No radio. It appears to be an automatic. Looks like it had, that actually says AC. Did these things have AC? Okay, we've got the wiper washer. The lighter over here, I'm guessing, is for the clock, maybe. And then let's see, looks like there may be some stuff back here in the back. So I guess those were maybe holes for speakers, I'm guessing, but they appear to be gone. There would not be a lot of headroom in the back of this thing, which I guess that's not really the point, right? It's supposed to be like a cool car, you know, it's fast and loud, so it wasn't very often that you had passengers in the back anyways, I'm guessing. So just looks like some junk, some random tools and whatnot. That might be an alternator back there in the back. Why did I say that so weird? So what is this though? Okay, so at one point, I guess he had bought a replacement clock for the passenger side over there. That looks really good shape, actually. That looks fairly new. Man, so I mean, it definitely needs to be pulled out of here and I guess just basically stripped, more or less, which would be how you would start. The steering wheel is in very pitiful condition, as expected with the how long it's sat. Should we pop the hood? Should we pop the hood or should we save that for another video? Why don't we just go ahead for the first one? Let's start it off with a bang and let's find out what engine is in this. I'm gonna guess, oh boy, I'm not a Mustang expert. A 302 maybe? I don't know. Let's pop it open and see if we can find out. I have actually owned a lot of Mustangs. I've owned an 80, a 66, an 86, a 97, and a 2001, but I have never owned one with this kind of age on it. So let's see. I say that as I said I owned a 66, but it was in much better shape. So it is the moment of truth. A 351, a big boy. Now, I don't know, didn't they make two? There's like a 351 Cleveland and a 351, maybe a Windsor? Windsor? Maybe I'm right, maybe I sound crazy. Man, so we could go through, check the liquids and stuff in this and just kind of see what shape it's really in. But lots of spider webs, of course, which we kind of expected that. But what the plan is, guys, man, I don't know. We're gonna see is in the coming days, we are going to actually pull this thing out of this spot so we can really get a good look at it. Kind of start stripping some stuff out of it. get a closer look, see how much rust there is and other different things, and take a deeper look at that engine. But I hope that you guys will join us for this ride. As I said, you're going to be seeing a lot of me, and you're going to be seeing my brother as well. He's around here somewhere, and he's the car expert. He's done body work and stuff, so he knows a lot more about it than I do. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this car. Again, it's unfortunate circumstances that it is mine now. I thought this was going to happen way later on down the road, but here we are, and we're going to make the best of it. And I'd like to really try to make my dad proud with this thing. You know what I mean? This is something, he liked this car a lot when he was a teenager, when he drove it back in the day. And I think it would put a smile on his face if we were able to fix it up and drive it once again. So stay tuned for future episodes of us moving this bad boy out and taking a deeper look. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe. There's some other classic cars here that we could maybe take a look at. So, hey, it's going to be a lot of fun, guys. Appreciate everybody subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you guys real soon in the next one. Peace out.